All right, I'm going to write an equation for this line here in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. We'll talk about those both in a second. Before I do the slope part, though, I need to look at this line. As you see, this line is going down. It's going from the left-hand corner down to the right-hand corner. So that means it is a negative slope. If I were sledding, this would be going downhill. I'd be going down the hill sledding. So therefore, that means this slope is going to be negative. So the slope of the line is going down, which means it's going to be negative. All right, so let's find our slope. Slope can be found by doing rise over run. Now, in order to find rise over run, I'm going to draw myself a triangle. It does not matter which 2 points you use to draw yourself a triangle because they will give you the exact same thing for slope. Now, I can put my triangle on this side of the line or this side of the line. It does not matter. I'm going to use this side, and I'm going to show you here my rise, or really my fall, and then my run. So, rising, how much is it standing up? So vertical. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So my rise is 4, but remember, technically, I'm really going down. I'm not really starting from here and going up. So my 4 is really negative. My run is how far you're going over. And I went over 1 box. So my slope is negative 4 over 1, which simplifies to negative 4. My y-intercept is where does it cross the y-axis? Well, this line crosses the y-axis right here. So this is the y-axis, this is the x. So it crosses the y-axis right here, that line does. So let's count and see what that is. This is the positive part, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So my y-intercept is 5. So now I'm just going to put my information into my slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. So y equals, for m, that's slope. So I'm going to replace it with negative 4. Then I'm going to bring down my x. And then plus b means y-intercept. And my y-intercept is 5, and it's positive, so I'm going to write plus 5. So my equation would be y equals negative 4x plus 5.